Hello everyone. Well, a very good morning to all of you. And dear student, I would like to wish you all that your day may be good today as it is a cool day today. Now dear student, last time we have completed our chapter 6 that was how to climb trees. And I guess and I hope that all of you have understood the lesson very well and you have done the difficult words in your copy and you have learned the spellings and the meanings too. Now dear student, as we have to proceed our English class, so today in this class we are going to do the different activities that is given in the lesson. First of all, I would like to say that dear student, you must be regular in your doings so that you may learn new things day by day. As much as you try to practice, the more you will learn. So that try to do it and snatch the photo and submit in the classroom lab so that I may evaluate it whether you are doing regularly in a correct way or not. So dear student, be punctual in your work and try to do all the activities that is concerned with your studies. Now today we are going to do the exercise of that lesson. Now let us see the exercise. First of all, we are having some information about the author Jim Corbett, and as I have explained and as I have given the information about him in the early classes, that you may have understood it and you may have prepared the notes on account on him. Now let us move to vocabulary. Word meaning. Nulla. These are the words that we found in the lesson. Pagri. These both are the local word. It is not an English word. It is local word. Let us see their meaning. Nulla. A gully or a ravine. Ravine का मतलब होता है वैली. हम लोग दो पहाड़ के बीच में जो वैली आता है, वैसिन आता है, हम लोग नुल्ला कह सकते हैं. अतः हम लोग जो रेनी सीजन में बारिश के कारण नाला बन जाता है उसको भी हम लोग नुल्ला कह सकते हैं. नाउ पगड़ी, a scarf of silk or cotton wound around the head to make turban. हम लोग स्कार्फ, हम लोग सिर पे हम लोग कपड़ा, सिल्क कपड़ा हम लोग बांधते हैं to make a turban. That is called pagri. You just learn these two word meaning properly. As I have told you in the previous classes, dear student, you have to learn at least 2 to 5 words daily. Vocabulary, you have to learn the vocabulary so that your words, you may have the sufficient new words in your mind so that you may know the meaning, the spellings and the uses in the sentences. So keep learning all the new words, at least two in a day. Otherwise, at least you can go up to 5 in a day. Now let us move to another exercise. This is the MCQ and you are familiar about it. Number 1, coercing and harassing both were friends, villagers, suitors, enemies. क्या हो सकता है? coercing and harassing both were क्या था? Suitors, friends, enemies, villagers. Enemies and villagers हम लोग ये नहीं कह सकते. Suitors and friends ये दोनों में क्या है? You just try to write it. The dash came out into the nulla. हरसिंह, कुंवर, टाइगर, none of this. कौन नुला से बाहर निकला था? Number 3, Dash climbed the tree before the tiger arrived. टाइगर आने से पहले कौन पेड़ पे चढ़ा था? हर सिंह, द नैरेटर, द विलेजर, कुंवर सिंह, हर सिंह, द नैरेटर अथवा द विलेजर. Now these are the MCQs. You can just do it in your copy. Now let us move to another part, that is putting down the relative pronoun or the interrogative pronoun. हम लोग relative अथवा interrogative कह सकते हैं. Who, whom, whose, which, who, that, या हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं इसको relative pronoun अथवा interrogative pronoun. Now number 1, we took a sandy nulla dash run through the dense jungle. Who, which, that. We took a sandy nulla that run through dense jungle. The doctor Babu dash lived nearby was awake. Who lived nearby was awake. The doctor refused to take the 2 rupees which I offered him. So हम लोग लिटिल बिट नॉलेज होना चाहिए. हु पर्सन में हु, हुज पर्सन में लगा जाता है. विच हम लोग for the things that it is especially meant for to join the two sentences that हम लोग. So we can see here, see the different examples of interrogative pronoun अथवा relative pronoun, and you can do other more exercises on it. Now number C, find out the words from the text that are pronounced in the same way but have different meaning and different spellings and write in the given space. Pronunciation same होना and but their spellings and meaning different होना. हम लोगों ने ये पढ़ा था, homonyms पढ़ा था, homophones. Similar pronunciation but their meaning and spellings are different, as you all know dear student, isn't it? For example, right, WRIT, right का right होता है, RIGST right. tail का TAIL tail होता है. Same pronunciation but they have the spelling different and the meaning different. Off, OF off, OFF off होता है. Cellular, seller, SELL ER seller. अलादिया टोबैको सेलर हम लोग इस पैराग्राफ में पढ़ा था. होल, WHOLE होल, W काट के लिख देना है HOLE होल. WHOLE होल का मतलब होता है सब पूर्णता. HOLE होल का मतलब होता है छेद. Now let us move. Try to do all these exercises in your copy. Now let us move to another important part of our lesson, that is part of our exercise, that is question answer. Number D, answer these questions. How old was Jim when he got his first gun? What are the 2 words used to describe the gun? Now यहाँ पे आप लोगों को मैंने आंसर लिखने के लिए तैयार सिखाया है. हाफ आंसर विल बी इन योर बुक. क्वेश्चन से ही आप लोगों को आंसर बनाना है. For example, how old was Jim when he got his first gun? Jim got his first gun when he was, या क्वेश्चन में आधा है, when he was कितना ईयर का था? When he was 8 years old. अब what are the 2 words used to describe the gun? The 2 words used to describe the gun are double barreled gun. एक डबल बैरल था and another you can search it from the passage से आप ढूंढ सकते हैं. 2 words used to describe the gun. Now let us see what according to Kumar Singh are the 2 things one needs in order to walk fearlessly in the jungle. According to Kumar Singh, what are the 2 things one needs in order to walk fearlessly in the jungle? ये पॉइंट में लिखिए, नंबर 1 नंबर 2 करके. द 2 things one needs in order to walk fearlessly in the jungle are: number 1, he should know how to shoot. He should be expert in shooting. Number 2, he should know how to climb the trees. हम लोग ऐसे करके आंसर बना सकते हैं. How did Kumar Singh escape? Who made the tiger run away? Kumar Singh escaped from the tiger by climbing up the roni tree. What made the tiger run away? The shot अथवा Kumar Singh fired his gun from his hiding place from the tree, which made the tiger run away. That made the tiger run away. ऐसे करके मिला के लिखना है. नंबर 4, why did Kumar Singh not remove the grass and mud from the Harsing's intestine before putting them back in his stomach? Because he was getting nervous, because he didn't have the experience, because he was afraid of seeing the condition of his prey. In this way, hastily he put all the twigs, grasses and mud along with the intestine into his stomach. ऐसे करके आंसर बना सकते हैं. Why didn't the doctor sterilize Harsing's wound? Why do you think he refused the fee? Now, why didn't the doctor sterilize Harsing's wound? Harsing का wound को sterilize डॉक्टर ने क्यों नहीं किया? Why do you think he refused the fee? उसने फ़ी क्यों माफ़ी किया? सबका आंसर मैंने बता दिया है लगभग. Now 5 you have to try by yourself. Now hearts देखो, hearts it is also important, just like you have to put your own way of writing. Why is it not illegal to kill tigers in India? Now. Why is it now illegal to kill tigers in India? आप लोग शुरू कर सकते हैं. छोटा सा पैराग्राफ लिखिए. टाइगर्स आर द wealth of India. Tigers increases the tourism industry. It attracts different people. ऐसे करके आप लोग थोड़ा टाइगर के बारे में और ये इलीगल क्यों करता है, इंडिया में क्यों मानता है, क्योंकि टाइगर एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहा है. पोचर सब क्या कर रहा है, टाइगर का स्किन मार के स्किन एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है, अननेसेसरी टाइगर को मार रहा है फॉर देयर स्किन. सो इन दिस वे आप लोग थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ बना सकते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यू हैव टू डू ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइजेस. टेक योर टाइम, बट द वर्क शुड बी वेरी nice. Now this much for today. These are all the exercises that I have given you in this class. We'll be meeting in next classes, that is in grammar classes, that we are going to read about adjective. So till that time, have a nice time, have a great day, and have a very good shelter at home. Thank you for listening, everybody. Bye.